Solved problems. Effect of transactions into accounting equations. Problem. Show the effect of the following transactions on accounting equation. 1. Started business with cash 50,000 and machinery 20,000. 2. Purchased merchandise on account 10,000. 3. Sold merchandises costing 6,000 on account 7,000. 4. Paid utility bills expenses 5,000. 5. Paid to on account 4,000. Received cash on account from customers 3,000. 7. Cash withdrawn for personal use 1,000. Solution. Transactions, journal entry, accounting equation, accounts affected, analysis, assets is equal to liability plus owner's equity. Transaction 1. Started business with cash 50,000 and machinery rupees 20,000. Accounts affected, cash and capital. Cash asset account debit 50,000, capital owner's equity credit 50,000. And machinery asset debit 20,000, capital owner's equity credit 20,000. Transaction 2. Purchased merchandise on account 10,000. Supplies asset debit 10,000, accounts payable liability credit 10,000. Transaction 3. Sold merchandise costing 6,000 on account for 7,000. Accounts receivable asset debit 7,000, sales owner's equity credit 7,000. For the second part, sold merchandise are costing 6,000. Cost of goods sold owner's equity debit 6,000, supplies asset credit 6,000. Transaction 4. Paid utility bills expenses for 5,000. Utility expenses owner's equity debit 5,000, cash asset credit 5,000. 5. Paid to on account 4,000. Accounts payable liability debit 4,000, cash asset credit 4,000. Transaction 6. Received cash on account from customers 3,000. Cash asset debit 3,000. Accounts receivable asset credit 3,000. 7. Cash withdrawal for personal use 1,000. Withdrawals owner's equity debit 1,000. Cash asset credit 1,000. Total assets 71,000. Total liabilities 6,000. Total owner's equity 65,000. Verify. Accounting equation is equal to assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Accounting equation is equal to 71,000 is equal to 6,000 plus 65,000. Accounting equation is equal to 71,000 is equal to 71,000. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.